So I'm going to demonstrate why OnDemand is my favorite feature in Thinkorswim. It's what I use for backtesting strategies that I think could work, but I want to test them going back in time to any random date and put them on and see how much money I would have won or lost. So you start by going to the screen where you can see these tabs and specifically OnDemand. So if you're in any of these other tabs, you might not see OnDemand. I would recommend starting with the Monitor tab over here. And then make sure OnDemand is active. Choose a date you want to go back to. It doesn't matter to choose any random date, any year, say April 13th, 2011. So there it is, April 13th, 2011. It's nothing significant. You can choose any random date, it doesn't matter. So then we go to trade and think of a ticker you want to try. Let's do Advanced Auto Parts, if that's what AAP is. So it takes a while to buffer, but you don't have to wait. You can go to the charts right now and it'll show you. So you can see the technical indicators I have are RSI, MACD, stochastic. I also have Ichimoku, and I'd like to make a quick adjustment. I'm going to go to Studies, Add Study, and sorry. I'm going to take off stochastic, take off ultimate. I'm going to actually just import the one, the sets that I like. It's this one. There it is. So those are the tickers that I had, the technical indicators that I had saved as a set, so now they're applied. So here's how I'm reading this. AAP, Ichimoku is bullish, Tenkan is about to switch, RSI is heading towards oversold, and I'd like to see Williams. So nothing really stands out. It looks like it's long-term bullish. So let's take a look at what it closed at today, 63.875. So I don't usually trade stocks, but just to illustrate the point, I could buy 100 shares at a reasonable price, so 64.45. So we're just above what's trading right now. Because I think this Ichimoku is saying it's going to be bullish, around mid-May. And again, we're in April 13th right now, 2011. I think around mid-May it's going to be higher than 63.86. So let's test it. Advanced Auto Parts is going to be higher than 63.86 come mid-May 2011. And again, I started with a random date, it's a random stock, no significance to that. But I think it's going to be bullish based on this bullish Ichimoku reading, but short-term bearish based on this possible Tenkan Kijun crossover. So let's go to May 16th, see if it's going to be higher than $63.81. Yes, it was 72. And specifically it's hitting, and that's another thing that I noticed, RSI is overbought here. So this is when I would go short-term bearish and long-term bullish again. So I would do a call vertical. So I could go over here to trade, and I want to give myself some time. So I think it's going to be bullish around June 20th. It's going to be higher than 72.32, but I think in the meantime, because it is overbought, it could go down below 72.32. So let's sell call closest to where it's closing today, $70.67 right there. All right, and let's make it to mid-July, so it goes past June. So we're going to go to I guess we can't do that. So let's go to just June. All right, so we're going to go June. I want to sell at the money call, buy and out of the money call. So we're going to sell one vertical, make it moderate, between natural and medium, so it fills. There, it filled. All right, so we're back testing this vertical now. So we go to monitor, we have AAP, we have the short call at 70 and the long call at 75. So let's see if it goes down in the short term and up in the long term. I think come early June it's going to be higher than close price of 70.66. But again, in the short term, I think it's going to go down. So we can see if we're right. Yep. Remember, it was overbought. It closed around 70 on that date. Right. So there's the close price on that date. And just as I thought, it was going to go down short term. However, this is now looking like it's going to be longer term bearish. I want to make sure I get the Williams on there. So just go here, go to add selected. That'll add the studies you want. And I want to see the Williams. So this is oversold. Now we can scroll through. What I'm looking for is a Williams cross above. Still no. No. Now we're in June 1st. Still no. There we go. All right. So now I'm going to take off that short call, which has been severely eroded in value, which is good. I can buy it, go back cheap. So that's the short call. It's at about 100% profitability. So I'm going to buy it cheap. Bought that back. And now I can go. See, I have one call remaining. It's a 75 call. So if this AP finishes above 75, then this will go into the money and I'll have some profit. So let's see here. I think it's going to start going up now, although the double bearish Ichimoku is a bearish sign. So let's see. Yep, bearish. Bearish. Yeah, the Williams hasn't crossed yet. Still no. Okay. No, still nothing. So this is going to close out of the money. It is way, way down. So this is a good thing I did some back testing because I would have lost quite a bit of money if I had a long stock or if I was just selling that vertical. Because you can see here I had that 100 shares that made me lose $621. I did make $307 with the short call, but lost $102 on that long call. So it cut into my profit on that option. And, I only made $205. So that's how you do backtesting with OnDemand. Make sure you enable it here. You can choose any date and time, and then you can just trade like normal. You can apply the technical indicators that you would normally, and you can use options tables, and you can play or fast forward to make the time elapse faster as you're watching the intraday market moves. So it's a fantastic feature. It is somewhat buggy. I do have issues repeatedly where it's not refreshing, the orders don't fill, it says there's no quotes, so you might have to reset the account and start over when those issues happen. All right, hope this helps.